Curious about the Vanguard Index Funds and whether they're the right investment for you? Let's dive into a beginner-friendly review of Vanguard Index Funds, along with their pros and cons. Vanguard is one of the most trusted names in the world of investing. It's known for pioneering the concept of index funds, thanks to its founder, John Bogle, who launched the first ever index fund in 1976. The idea was simple: create a low-cost way for investors to track the market instead of trying to beat it. This revolutionary idea has since grown Vanguard into one of the largest investment firms in the world, managing over $7 trillion in assets. So what exactly is an index fund? It's a type of mutual fund that aims to replicate the performance of a specific index, like the S&P 500 or the total stock market. Instead of relying on a manager to pick stocks, the fund automatically follows the performance of the entire market, which reduces fees and minimizes risk for long-term investors. One of the major reasons beginners love Vanguard is its low expense ratios. Vanguard's index funds typically charge some of the lowest fees in the industry. For example, the Vanguard Total Stock Market Index Funds, or VTSAX, has an expense ratio of just 0.04%. This means for every $10,000 you invest, you're only paying $4 in fees each year. Vanguard is also known for offering wide range of funds, whether you want to invest in US stocks, international stocks, bonds, or a mix of both. Vanguard has a fund that covers your needs. One of their most popular offerings is the Vanguard S&P 500 Index Fund, or VFIAX, which tracks the top 500 companies in the US, providing instant diversification. The biggest advantage of Vanguard Index Fund for beginners is their simplicity. You don't need to be an expert to invest. Buying into a broad market index fund, you're essentially investing in hundreds or even thousands of companies at once. This reduces the risk tied to any single company and provides solid long-term growth potential. Another pro of Vanguard Index Funds is their tax efficiency, because they don't frequently buy and sell stocks like actively managed funds. Index funds generate fewer taxable events. This means you keep more of your returns over time, especially in a taxable brokerage account. Vanguard's client-owned structure is another unique feature. This means the company is owned by its shareholders, essentially the investors in its funds. This setup ensures Vanguard's interests are aligned with yours, which helps keep fees low and benefits investors in the long run. However, Vanguard isn't without its drawbacks. For beginners, one downside could be the minimum investment required to get started. Most Vanguard mutual funds like VTSAX require a $3,000 minimum investment, which may be steep for new investors. Another con is Vanguard's customer service. While it's generally reliable, their phone support is only available during business hours, and their website and app aren't as modern or user-friendly as competitors like Fidelity. Vanguard's focus on passive investing also means it offers fewer actively managed options. If you're looking for more hands-on management or advanced tools for trading individual stocks, you may find Vanguard a bit limiting. On the performance side, Vanguard index funds are designed for long-term growth. If you're looking for quick returns or are interested in short-term trading, index funds may not be the best fit for you. Index funds are steady, slow-growth investments meant to build wealth over decades, not days. So, is Vanguard the right choice for you as a beginner? If you're seeking a low-cost, easy-to-understand way to invest in the stock market, Vanguard's index funds are hard to beat. Their combination of low fees, broad diversification, and long-term performance makes them a great option for anyone looking to build wealth gradually. The key takeaway is this: Vanguard index funds are ideal for hands-off, long-term investors who want to take advantage of low fees and the power of compounding. While the initial investment may be high, the benefits of tax efficiency, diversification, and low costs make them a top choice for many. Finally, Vanguard's index funds offer a straightforward, low-risk approach to investing. They are perfect for beginners who want to grow their wealth slowly and steadily over time. But if you're looking for a more active approach or a lower entry point, you may want to explore other options. No matter what you choose, the most important thing is to start investing early and stick with it for the long haul.